Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Cardano or the ADA on your Metamask. So once you've logged on to coinmarketcap.com, the link would be in the description of the video. You simply scroll down till you get to its about, where you can simply copy its BNB Smart Chain. That's the BEP20. Click on this copy, minimize and open up your Metamask. And once your Metamask has opened up, all you need to do is simply switch from your Ethereum mainnet to your smart chain. And then once at the smart chain, simply click on import tokens, click on custom tokens, paste the contract address we just copied, and in the token symbol, put ADA, and the decimals are 18. So you simply click on import. Successfully imported ADA. Here it is, the Cardano token. This is it. So now our next step is to simply click on this trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on this, click on swap, and now we're going to be swapping our ADA. So ADA, I believe it's this ADA. Okay, click on continue. Now we're going to enter an amount 0.001 or 5. And click on get quotes, fetching quotes now available. Okay, and if you're not able to swap the Cardano, all you simply need to do is try again. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're simply going to use a centralized exchange to get the Cardano token. That's this ADA. And what we're going to do is we're going to minimize and open up KuCoin. Now, with KuCoin, all we're going to need to do is deposit either BNB here or any other cryptocurrency assets like USDT, USDC, BUSD, and simply scroll over till you find the convert, which is here. Click on convert, and in the place of XRP or whatever token appears, you simply click on ADA, and then we add the Cardano manually. So let's say we want to swap 10 USDT, which is going to be giving us 35 of the ADA. And then once you've swapped or once you've converted, you simply head over to your assets, scroll to funding, click on withdraw, and click on ADA, or scroll down till you find ADA, which is here, Cardano. And as you can see, the network is only Cardano, so you can only send from Cardano to Cardano. And you would need a NAMI wallet, which is on Play Store. So you just install a NAMI wallet, this wallet here, and store your Cardano, a KuCoin account. And by simply using our link in the description of this video, you'll stand a chance to get a welcome bonus of 3,200 USDT just by using our link. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy Cardano on your Metamask, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.